Let's take a look at how we can encrypt a document in Microsoft Word 2019. So we've saved our document onto the desktop already. So now what we want to do is click on the File menu at the top and go to where it says Protect Document under the Info section on the left-hand side. Let's click on Protect Document and click Encrypt with Password. Now we'll put in our password. And it says here, caution, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. That's not exactly true, as there are recovery tools that are out there, third-party tools you may have to purchase, but in general, it is pretty well encrypted. Let's go ahead and click OK. Got to re-enter the password. Click OK. And now we see the document is protected. So let's go ahead and see what's on the document. It just says, this is my Word doc. So let's go ahead and close that. We'll save it. And we'll double click on Doc 1, type in our password, and there it is. Now we're open.